9 reasons people are unsubscribing from your email list. While some internet marketers and bloggers make it seem easy to make a living online, for others, things seem to be nothing but a continuous uphill struggle where you take 1 step forward and 2 steps backwards. You work so hard to get subscribers on your email list. You might even be paying for pay-per-click and other advertising to try to build your list. But isn't it a shame, not to say depressing, if and when your subscribers start to unsubscribe in droves? If this happens to you, what can you do to prevent it? Or better still, what can you do to stop it even happening? There are a number of reasons why people will unsubscribe from an email marketing list. Knowing these reasons means you can do your utmost to prevent this from happening to you, and hopefully you will be able to maintain a happy and, above all, responsive email marketing list. It could very well be that your value proposition isn't clear. We are all busy people. Everyone wants to know what's in it for me when they sign up for a list. You might get them onto your list with a free ebook or e-course, but they will unsubscribe as soon as they have the free item, unless they feel confident that you have something genuinely useful to offer. Perhaps the content isn't relevant to them. A lot of businesses email about things that are important to them, but these same things may not be important to their target audience. But if you are emailing a newsletter, for example, most of the people on your list will not care what's new in your business unless it is helpful to them. Put the needs of your audience, not your desire to make money, at the forefront of each planned email. More often than not, and we make no apologies here, your subject lines stink. Yes, the truth hurts, but we have to be serious here. Your subject lines are the only real way to get subscribers to open your email and read it. Learn how to craft interesting keyworded subject lines that will resonate with your readers. Your opening paragraphs stink. If you are lucky enough to get an email opened, your first paragraph needs to draw the reader in so they want to read more. Also note that with some email client preview panes, such as Gmail, the first paragraph will appear as a preview, which helps some people in deciding if they want to open your email or not. You mail too often. People are busy and don't want to be bombarded with too much information, and in particular too many pushy buy now types of emails. Mail regularly, but don't overdo it. You send out too many promotional emails. Strike a balance, such as a 5-to-2 or 4-to-1 email calendar. If you want to email every day of the week, send 5 informational emails and 2 promotional ones, with the promo emails spaced out. If you are going to mail 5 days a week, make 4 informational and 1 promotional. It could be you don't mail often enough. In this case, people will forget the fact that they have subscribed to your list, and they'll hit that unsubscribe button faster than a bullet from a blazing gun. By mailing regularly, they will not only remember why they are on your list, your great subject lines and helpful content will also make people eager to read your next email. Maybe you aren't sexy enough. In other words, your emails are boring. Boring, of course, is subjective, but if you are just cranking out emails for the sake of it, which is something you should never do, it will show, and the results won't be pretty. Your emails look like rubbish. Appearances do count. People read their emails on many devices. Your email needs to look good in all of them. So make sure it is mobile friendly. If in doubt, use plain text emails, but use subheaders, block capitals and symbols to divide up the content and make it easier to read. Ignore this advice at your peril. You have been warned.